Hi Rahul, I am looking at becoming wealthy and I wanted to know what skills should I focus on. Building wealth requires a combination of different skills and strategies. Some of the most important skills for building wealth include financial literacy, discipline, and resourcefulness. Can you explain more about what you mean by resourcefulness? Resourcefulness is the ability to find creative solutions to problems, such as increasing your income, reducing your expenses, investing your money wisely. If you can develop a skill of resourcefulness, then sky is the limit for your earning potential. That makes sense. How can I develop this skill? If you are interested in learning more about building wealth, I am doing an online workshop called Be Your Own Financial Advisor. I think it could be a great opportunity for you to gain resourcefulness and the skills that you will need to achieve your financial goals and create wealth. That sounds interesting. How can I sign up for this workshop? Just click in the link in the bio and grab your seat now at huge discounts.